Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Basketball Whiteboard is probably one of the most essential tools for any basketball coach looking to elevate their team's performance, offering a dynamic and visual way to strategize, communicate plays, and analyze game situations effectively. This versatile piece of equipment serves as a central hub for tactical discussions, allowing coaches to illustrate offensive sets, defensive schemes, and player movements with clarity and precision, ultimately fostering better understanding and execution on the court. It's an indispensable asset for developing game plans, conducting effective practice sessions, and making crucial in-game adjustments, ensuring your team is always one step ahead of the competition. Number 5. Murray Sporting Goods Dry Erase Coach's Clipboard. Introducing the ultimate coaching clipboard, designed to help you strategize and communicate effectively with your team. Enhance your coaching with this versatile tool. It features a high-quality dry erase surface, perfect for drawing plays and making quick notes. Stay organized and adapt on the fly with ease. This clipboard is lightweight and compact, making it easy to take anywhere. It's built to last, ensuring it can handle frequent use as your reliable coaching companion. With a large writing surface, your plays and instructions will be clearly visible to everyone. Communicate effectively and keep your team performing at their best. This versatile board isn't just for coaching, use it for teaching, clinics, or team meetings. It also includes a strong clip to hold extra papers. What we like. This clipboard offers a premium dry erase surface for quick play drawing and adjustments. Its portable and durable design makes it easy to take anywhere. If you are a coach who values versatility and needs a reliable tool for various situations beyond just games, this is a great choice. What people say. The dry erase surface is smooth and easy to write on, and it wipes clean with no ghosting. It comes with a variety of magnets for different plays, and the whiteboard is large enough to see the whole court. The included marker set is also a nice touch, with different colors for different players or strategies. Number 4. Murray Sporting Goods Premium Coach's Clipboard. Introducing the Premium Coach's Clipboard from Murray Sporting Goods. This versatile tool is designed to elevate your coaching strategy for any sport. It features a full court on one side and a half court with a notes section on the other. Easily switch between game plans and strategic discussions. The large dry erase surface ensures everyone can see your plays clearly. Keep your entire team aligned and focused on the win. With a strong, ergonomic handle and a built-in marker clip, it's always ready when inspiration strikes. Drawing up the next winning play has never been easier. Whether it's a game, practice, or one-on-one training, this clipboard is your essential companion. It's the perfect tool for basketball, baseball, soccer, football, and hockey. Measuring 16.5 by 12.5 inches, it comes complete with a black dry erase marker. You'll have everything you need to strategize effectively right out of the box. What we like. This option features a double-sided design with both full and half-court layouts, perfect for detailed play calling. The large surface ensures everyone can see your strategies clearly. If you're looking for a comprehensive board that comes with a marker and offers distinct court views for different strategic needs, this is the one for you. What people say. The board is a good size and very portable. It comes with 2 different colored markers and an eraser, which is convenient. The magnetic pieces are strong and stay in place during drills. Number 3. GoSports Premium Dry Erase Coach's Clipboard. Introducing the GoSports Premium Dry Erase Coach's Clipboard, designed for coaches across multiple sports. It's built to last and help you strategize effectively. Unlike cheaper alternatives, this clipboard features a robust dry erase surface that won't bend. Its rugged construction ensures it can withstand the demands of any game. It offers a full court on one side and an enlarged half court with a player stat tracker on the other. This versatile design provides all the space you need for strategy. This is the ultimate coaching tool for drawing up plays. Quickly communicate your winning strategies to your players with ease. It comes game ready with a sturdy metal clip to hold your plays securely. Plus, it includes 2 dry erase pens in red and black, each with its own eraser. What we like. Built with rugged construction, this board is designed to withstand frequent use without bending. It offers a 2-sided design with a player stat tracker on the back. If you need a durable, game-ready tool that comes with multiple writing instruments and erasers, this clipboard is an excellent pick. What people say. The whiteboard is a great tool for strategizing during games. It's durable and easy to wipe clean, which is essential for frequent use. The included markers and eraser are convenient and work well. Number 2. Elite Clipboards Dry Erase Coach's Clipboard. Elevate your coaching game with this clipboard, designed specifically for coaches. Streamline your strategies and communicate effectively during timeouts and training sessions. Experience the game-changing advantage of its full-color, double-sided design. Clearly illustrate plays, rotations, and tactics using vibrant visuals that resonate with your team. This clipboard comes complete with a dry erase marker clip, and a sturdy metal clip. Everything you need is right at your fingertips for immediate coaching action. Crafted with durability in mind, this clipboard stands up to the rigors of the court. Its tough construction ensures it'll be a dependable companion for countless practices and games. Equip yourself with a tool that empowers your coaching strategies. It's a platform to share your insights, inspire players, and lead your team to victory. Draw up the next winning play with Elite Clipboards. This essential coaching tool will help you guide your team to success. What we like. This clipboard boasts a vivid full-color design for clear illustration of plays and tactics. It comes as an all-in-one package with a marker and clips, ready for immediate action. If you appreciate vibrant visuals and want a complete, durable kit to empower your coaching strategies, consider this option. What people say. The whiteboard is a good size for strategizing on the court. It comes with multiple markers and an eraser, making it convenient to use. The dry erase surface is smooth and easy to clean. Number 1. Champion Sports Large XL Dry Erase Coaching Board. Every successful game begins with a solid strategy. This visual tool is perfect for coaches to plan and demonstrate plays effectively. This easy-to-use board is double-sided, showing both a full and half-field layout. It even comes with 2 dry erase markers for your convenience. Forget messy chalkboards. This reusable board is lightweight, portable, and offers clearer imagery with accurate field parameters. Highly durable and sturdy, this is the ultimate coaching accessory. It's built to withstand the elements and frequent use, unlike paper alternatives. This coaching board isn't just for one sport. It's perfect for strategizing for basketball, soccer, hockey, lacrosse, and more, making it a universal tool. What we like. This board offers convenient double-sided field layouts for strategizing and includes markers. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry. If you are a multi-sport coach who needs a universal, durable planning tool that provides clear imagery and is easy to use, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This whiteboard is a great tool for coaches to draw up plays and strategies. The whiteboard is durable and easy to clean, making it a practical choice for regular use. It comes with markers and an eraser, so you have everything you need to get started right away. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.